Hey everyone, so I am finally back from college. As you can see here, I'm just kind of organizing some stuff because I have so many creative projects I want to do. If you hear any clicking in the background, my dog is currently running around. That's what that sound is. But yeah, I thought I would take the time to organize my desk because it's an absolute disaster, push some stuff around, make sure everything fits. Because, yeah, I am done with school. Technically, I've got one more assignment to do, which is what I plan to do after I finish this voiceover, but I thought I'd go through, just kind of catalog the stuff that I already have and see what content I can make with it. Gosh, I don't even know what to talk about. I'm just so stoked to be back from college. It's just, I'm feeling really good, feeling really pumped. Finals, the ones I've done so far, have gone really, really well. I haven't gotten any grades back, but internally I feel really good about them. And yeah, here I am just applying some fun stickers. I have so many stickers, guys. It is so much fun. And now we're gonna organize all of my inks. So what's going on here? Well, I have been really wanting to get back into colored pencil art. I used to do colored pencil art all the time, and then I discovered watercolors, and the rest is kind of history there. But I have had this toned gray sketchbook for, I don't know, years now, and I really wanted to use it. I'm not totally happy with how these sketches turned out, but again, all the factors are playing against me here. It has been several months since I've done any serious artwork like this, and I have not used colored pencils in a really long time, and I'm still practicing just values and shading in general. So even though this isn't my favorite piece I've ever done, I still had a good time doing it. I was watching a lot of YouTube, I was listening to a lot of music. Things are great. So what's the vibe looking like for the rest of the year? I plan on putting out pretty much as much content as I can before I go back to school, because once I get back to school, things are going to simmer down again while ramp up in the academic department. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Leave any comments or suggestions on what you'd like to see in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe, do all the things that you're supposed to do. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye!